Hello, this is Airgun Style, and we're presenting the Crosman C11. This is a 177 caliber gun, which is powered by a CO2 cartridge and uses metal BBs. First, to start off, I would like to show you how to load in the CO2 cartridge. To do that, you just simply remove the hand grip back like this. Take a CO2 cartridge, use some pelgun oil, place on top right here, and just slide it in. And just keep screwing it in right here until you hear a sound, which will let you know that your CO2 cartridge is safely in. Here's the sound. Now just close it up. Now I will show you how to load in the BBs. Like I said, we use these BBs made by Copperhead, like metal BBs. To do that, you just simply move this right all the way down, and it will automatically lock in place and load in about 18 BBs. $15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18 metal BBs. Now just press the button right here, and we'll slide back into place. Load the clip into the gun. Take it off of the safety. To do that, you just press down and move to the fire position, and to put it back on the safety, you just press down again and move to the safety position. Okay. Now we're in the fire position, and we are ready to fire. So this was the demonstration of the Crosman C11. It is very accurate, up to 7 to 10 yards away from the target, and is also made in an Airmac C11 airsoft, which is also using CO2 cartridges. You can buy this gun and many more and accessories to it at airgunstyle.com. Thank you.